Welcome to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will know about Swift Boss Base feature. In Swift Boss Base feature, this is here. In Swift Boss Base feature, we create a profile and a path. The profile follow the path and create a solid feature. So let's start. First of all, we create a path for profile. Right click, select option, go to fillet section, apply here some fillet. $90 OK. Now go to reference geometry, select plane, first reference point this line, second reference point this point. Select this plane, sketch, normal. Now we create a circle, right click, select option, close the sketch, select this plane and select this option, hide. Now go to Swift Boss Base feature. Here first option is select profile. I select this profile. Now second option is select path. I select this path. So this is Swift Boss Base feature. Okay. In the Swift Boss Base feature, next is guided curve. Now create a path first. I create a line which is path for our profile. Come back from the sketch, go to reference geometry plane, select plane at this point, right click, select option. Now I create a ellipse, right click, select option, select this point, press Ctrl button and hold Ctrl, select this point, make horizontal, come back from the sketch. Now again I select Ctrl, sketch, this plane, hide this plane. Now I select the 3-point arc, right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now go to Swift Boss Base feature, select profile, I select this profile. Now select path, I select this path. Now here guide curves, I select this guide as curve. It will follow this path. If we not select this, by selecting guide curve, it's go along with the guide. So this is the guide curve. If we need hollows part, then we can apply thin feature from here. At here we can enter thickness which we required. Suppose we take 5 mm, it will be 5 mm. From here we can change its direction inward, outward, mid plane, both sides. Thickness will be equal in two direction. Here two thicknesses will come. One is from here to here and another one is from here to here. If we don't need any feature, uncheck it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.